solve this pattern. And our observation is there are 3 rows, 3 columns. In each row, the last value is 3. So it is always ending with 3. It is starting from initially 1, then there's a space and then 2 space and 3. Inner loop is column, outer loop is row. Before printing column data, you want to have a loop for the space. Now we'll observe and start putting the value. So what we'll do, say j equal to I, because here I cannot put a fixed value. We need to keep changing the value over here. So initially in j, you want a value to be 1, then to be 2, and then 3. And since in each row, the last value is 3, so first you put this value 3. Second observation, while printing the column data, you can see 1, 2, 3 means there's an increment. So put j plus plus. So once you put plus plus, you get less than equal to sign. And you have to control through I. So your inner loop printing job is ready. Now, since here you can see the value, initially for value you want I to be 1, 2, and 3. So you got a value for I. So I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus, because there is 3 rows. Now, before printing, there has to be space. First time there's a 0 space, 1 space, 2 space. So before this column printing, we write independent loop for space. Here also we try to control through I. So we'll declare variable s for the space. And then s equal to I. Initially value of I is 1, but first time you do not want to give a space. So you may argue, if I say I greater than 1, then also it will not go inside a loop. And when I say I less than 1, then also it is not going. So you are not understanding what sign we put. In this scenario, you should read a value of I for the second iteration. In second iteration, I will become 2. And at that time, you want to give 1 space. So if you put greater than sign, 2 greater than 1, yes, then only it will give you 1 space. So you got the sign greater than. Okay, so 2 is greater than 1, yes, it will give 1 space. Then 1 is greater than 1, no. And in third iteration, value of I will be 3. So 3 and 2, 2 space it will give. Let's read the entire pattern. So in this pattern, we are starting I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. So 1 is less than 3, yes, you go inside. 1 is greater than 1, no, because there is no space, so it will not go for the space. J equal to I, that is 1. This is going to iterate 3 times and print 1, 2, 3. And the moment j become 4, you jump out. Then outer loop continue. I will become 2. 2 is less than 3, yes. 2 is greater than 1, yes. So it will give 1 space over here. Minus minus, 1 is greater than 1, no. So you go ahead. I is 2, 2 is less than 3, yes. So it will iterate 2 times, 2 and 3 will be printed. Then it will come 4, 4 is less than 3, no jump out. The I will become now 3, 3 is less than 3, yes. Is 3 greater than 1, yes. So it will give 2 space, 3 is greater than 1, yes. 2 is greater than 1, yes. 1 is greater than 1, no. So jump out. I is now 3, 3 is less than equal to 3, yes. So it will print this last value of 3. Then it will come 4, 4 is less than 3, no jump out. I will become 4, 4 is less than 3, no jump out.